Men over 50 often find themselves asking, why is my energy not the same as before? Why do I feel less vigorous, less potent? And why is sleep so hard to come by these days? If you've noticed yourself waking up tired, struggling with low stamina, or even facing challenges in the bedroom, you are not alone. Millions of men experience these changes as they cross 50. But here's the surprising truth: much of this struggle is not simply aging, it's about one missing nutrient that your body craves, especially at night. Imagine waking up feeling rested, full of vigor, sharper in mind, and stronger in performance, all by adding just one simple vitamin to your nighttime routine. Doctors like Dr. Rena Malik emphasize how nutrition, hormones, and sleep are deeply connected to male health, yet most men overlook this easy fix. Today, we're diving into the science and revealing the one vitamin that could help restore potency, recharge your energy, and give you the deep, refreshing sleep you've been missing. Stay tuned, because this small change could transform the way you age and help you feel decades younger. After the age of 50, men begin to notice subtle but undeniable changes in their bodies. Energy that once came effortlessly now seems harder to maintain. Sleep, which used to be deep and refreshing, becomes fragmented. And when it comes to vitality, stamina, and potency, many men feel as though their youthful strength is slowly slipping away. While these changes are natural, they don't have to mean the end of vigor or performance. In fact, modern research shows that much of this decline can be slowed or even reversed with the right approach. Doctors like Dr. Rena Malik often highlight how men underestimate the importance of proper nutrition, hormone balance, and quality sleep. These three pillars are deeply connected. Without proper rest, the body cannot repair itself. Without key nutrients, the body cannot produce essential hormones like testosterone. And without balanced hormones, men often face challenges with energy, libido, and overall health. Unfortunately, most men over 50 don't realize they are running low on certain vitamins and minerals that directly affect these systems. Instead of addressing the root cause, they may turn to quick fixes, strong coffee for energy, sleeping pills for rest, or even medications for intimacy. But these often mask the issue instead of solving it. The good news is that science is now uncovering how one simple vitamin taken at the right time before bed can dramatically improve potency, restore vigor, and promote the deep, healing sleep men need. And the best part, it's safe, affordable, and accessible to nearly everyone. In the next part of this video, we'll explore how aging impacts men's bodies, why sleep plays such a critical role in male performance, and finally, reveal the one vitamin you should take at night to truly transform your health after 50. Aging is a natural process, but for men, the changes after 50 often feel sharper and more disruptive. The truth is, male biology undergoes a steady shift that influences everything from energy levels to muscle strength, sexual performance, and even mental clarity. One of the biggest factors is the gradual decline in testosterone, the hormone that fuels vigor, potency, and vitality. Starting in the mid-30s, testosterone levels drop by about 1% every year, and by the time a man reaches 50 or 60, that loss can be significant. This doesn't mean life has to slow down, but it does mean the body requires more intentional care. Another key change is how the body handles recovery and repair. When younger, a man's cells regenerate quickly, helping him bounce back from stress, workouts, or even a poor night's sleep. But with age, cellular repair slows down, leaving men feeling drained more easily. Muscle mass begins to decline, fat storage increases, and stamina isn't what it used to be. Even the brain feels it. Focus, memory, and motivation may not be as sharp. Sleep also becomes more fragile. Studies show that men over 50 spend less time in deep restorative sleep. This is the stage of rest where testosterone is produced, growth hormones are released, and the body recharges its energy. Without it, vitality suffers. Poor sleep can trigger a vicious cycle. Low testosterone leads to low energy and mood swings, which makes sleep even harder. On top of that, the digestive system absorbs nutrients less efficiently with age. Even if a man eats a balanced diet, his body may not fully extract the vitamins and minerals it needs. Deficiencies build up silently, and over time, these gaps affect metabolism, muscle recovery, and sexual health. In short, men over 50 are dealing with a triple challenge: hormonal decline, slower recovery, and weaker nutrient absorption. But here's the exciting part. Science shows that the right nutrition and lifestyle changes can help break this cycle. By targeting specific vitamins that work with the body's nighttime repair system, men can restore vigor, enhance potency, and improve deep sleep naturally. Most men underestimate the true power of sleep. They think of it as just rest, but in reality, sleep is when the body performs its most important work. For men over 50, quality sleep isn't a luxury. It's the foundation for potency, vigor, and long-term health during deep sleep. Your body goes into repair mode, muscles recover from daily wear, cells regenerate, and the brain clears away toxins that build up during the day. But perhaps most importantly, this is when key hormones are released. Testosterone, the hormone responsible for strength, energy, libido, and confidence, peaks during sleep. If you're not sleeping deeply, your testosterone levels never reach their full potential, leaving you feeling drained and less vigorous. Research shows that even a single week of poor sleep can cause testosterone levels to drop significantly. Men who sleep less than 5 hours a night may have levels similar to someone 10 years older. And when testosterone drops, it triggers a chain reaction: lower energy, weaker erections, reduced muscle mass, and even a decline in mood and motivation. Sleep also impacts another critical hormone, growth hormone. This hormone helps repair tissue, strengthen bones, and build lean muscle. Without enough deep sleep, growth hormone production is stunted, leaving men more prone to fatigue, weight gain, and slower recovery from exercise or stress. Unfortunately, men over 50 often struggle with exactly this issue. Whether it's waking up multiple times at night, difficulty falling asleep, or restless, shallow sleep, the lack of restorative rest quietly erodes vitality. Added nutrient deficiencies, stress, or underlying conditions like sleep apnea, and the problem compounds. Here's the key insight: fixing sleep is not just about feeling well rested, it's about reigniting the very systems that drive male potency and vigor. And this is where one overlooked vitamin comes into play. Taken at night, it doesn't just support the body nutritionally, but it actively enhances your ability to fall asleep, stay asleep, and unlock those critical hormonal surges that fuel energy and performance. In the next section, we'll uncover why nutritional gaps make sleep and vitality worse, and how the right vitamin can help reverse this cycle naturally. As men age, their nutritional needs change dramatically. The same diet that seemed to work fine in their 30s or 40s may no longer provide enough fuel to maintain strength, energy, and vitality. This is because the body becomes less efficient at absorbing certain nutrients from food, even with a balanced diet. Men over 50 often fall short of key vitamins and minerals that are critical for hormone production, sleep regulation, and overall vigor. One of the most common deficiencies is vitamin D. Known as the sunshine vitamin, it plays a direct role in testosterone production, bone strength, and immune health. Yet, studies show that up to 70% of older men are low in vitamin D, especially those who spend most of their time indoors or live in areas with limited sunlight. Low vitamin D levels are linked with fatigue, poor sleep, weaker erections, and even depression. Another frequent gap is magnesium, often called the relaxation mineral. Magnesium supports over 300 functions in the body, including muscle recovery, nerve function, and the regulation of sleep hormones like melatonin. Unfortunately, soil depletion and processed foods have left many men deficient in magnesium. Without enough of it, men may experience restless nights, muscle cramps, irritability, and lower testosterone. Zinc is another powerhouse nutrient that often declines with age. It is essential for sperm health, testosterone production, and immune function. Even mild zinc deficiency can lead to reduced libido, slower healing, and a weakened sense of vitality. Finally, B vitamins, especially B12, become harder to absorb after 50 as stomach acid levels decrease. Low B12 is linked to fatigue, poor concentration, and even nerve issues. These nutritional gaps quietly chip away at energy, potency, and sleep quality. Instead of addressing them, many men turn to short-term solutions like caffeine, sugar, or medications, which only mask the deeper issue. But here's the exciting truth: research shows that restoring even one critical vitamin at night can make a powerful difference. Not only does it fill the nutritional gap, but it also helps trigger better sleep, deeper recovery, and stronger hormonal balance, all essential for men over 50 who want to feel younger and more vigorous. So, what is the one vitamin that men over 50 should focus on at night to restore potency, vigor, and deep sleep? The answer is magnesium, often referred to as the master mineral or the relaxation vitamin. Why magnesium? Because it directly influences three critical areas for men over 50: hormone balance, muscle recovery, and sleep quality. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, and yet most men don't get enough of it. Studies show that nearly 70% of adults are deficient, and the risk of deficiency only increases with age. One, how magnesium boosts potency and vigor. Magnesium plays a direct role in supporting testosterone production. Research shows that men with higher magnesium intake tend to have higher testosterone levels, especially when combined with exercise. Testosterone, as we know, is the foundation of male potency. It drives energy, strength, sexual performance, and confidence. Without enough magnesium, testosterone struggles to stay at optimal levels, leaving men feeling weaker, less motivated, and less vigorous. Magnesium also improves blood flow by helping blood vessels relax. Better circulation means better oxygen delivery to muscles and improved performance in the bedroom. In fact, some studies suggest magnesium may help men struggling with mild erectile issues by supporting vascular health too. Why nighttime is the best time to take it? Magnesium has a natural calming effect on the nervous system. It regulates the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, and reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. Taken at night, magnesium helps men fall asleep faster and enter deeper, more restorative sleep cycles. This is the stage of sleep when testosterone is released. Muscles repair themselves and energy is restored. Think of it this way, taking magnesium before bed is like giving your body a green light to relax, repair, and recharge. That's why experts like Dr. Rena Malik often emphasize the importance of aligning nutrition with the body's natural rhythms. 3. Backed by science and expert insight, multiple studies confirm magnesium's role in improving sleep quality, increasing testosterone, and enhancing physical performance. In older adults, magnesium supplementation has been shown to improve sleep efficiency, reduce nighttime awakenings, and boost overall energy during the day. Doctors often highlight magnesium as a safe, natural way to support both male reproductive health and restorative sleep. For safe dosage and natural sources, for most men, a daily intake of 300-400 mg of magnesium is recommended. The best form for nighttime use is magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate, as they are easily absorbed and gentle on the stomach. You can also increase magnesium naturally through foods like dark leafy greens of spinach, kale seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, whole grains, brown rice, legumes as beans, lentils, dark chocolate. Yes, in moderation. 5. The bottom line for men over 50, magnesium is more than just a vitamin. It's a game changer. By taking it at night, you're not only filling a critical nutritional gap, but also setting the stage for deeper sleep, stronger testosterone levels, improved circulation, and renewed vigor. It's safe, affordable, and effective, making it one of the simplest yet most powerful steps a man can take to reclaim his health after 50. In short, magnesium at night is the key to unlocking potency, vigor, and deep sleep. While magnesium is a powerful tool for restoring sleep, vigor, and potency, it works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Think of it like adding premium fuel to your car. You'll get the most benefit if the engine is tuned and maintained properly. For men over 50, here are key lifestyle habits that can supercharge magnesium's effects and help you feel your best. 1. Nutrition that supports male health. Pair your magnesium intake with foods rich in zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Zinc and vitamin D both boost testosterone production, while omega-3s improve heart health and circulation. Adding fatty fish like salmon, nuts like walnuts, and plenty of vegetables will strengthen your nutritional foundation. At the same time, cut back on processed foods and excess sugar, which drain magnesium from the body and spike inflammation. 2. Consistent exercise. Physical activity is a natural testosterone booster. Strength training, like lifting weights or body weight exercises, signals the body to build muscle and release more testosterone. Cardiovascular exercise supports circulation and heart health, which are critical for male performance. Even a daily 30-minute walk can dramatically improve energy, mood, and sleep quality when combined with magnesium. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, the hormone that interferes with testosterone and sleep. Magnesium helps reduce cortisol, but pairing it with stress relieving practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even a relaxing hobby makes the effect much stronger. Many men find that a short evening routine, stretching, journaling, or listening to calming music sets the stage for better sleep. 4. Sleep hygiene. Magnesium helps you fall asleep, but you also need the right environment. Keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Avoid screens for at least 30 minutes before bed, since blue light interferes with melatonin production. Establishing a consistent bedtime helps your body's internal clock align with your magnesium intake for maximum benefit. 5. Limit alcohol and caffeine. Both alcohol and caffeine can reduce magnesium levels and disrupt deep sleep. Cutting back, especially in the evening, ensures your body absorbs and uses magnesium effectively. When you combine magnesium with smart lifestyle choices, you're not just improving sleep, you're rebuilding the foundation of vitality. The result is more energy, stronger performance, and a renewed sense of confidence in your 50s and beyond. While magnesium is one of the safest and most essential nutrients for men over 50, it's important to understand the potential risks and who should be cautious. For most healthy men, taking 300-400 mg per day is safe and beneficial. However, going far above this range, especially from supplements, can lead to side effects such as diarrhea, nausea, or stomach cramp. That's why it's best to start with a moderate dose and choose well-absorbed forms like magnesium glycinate. Certain individuals should consult their doctor before starting magnesium supplements. Men with kidney disease, for example, need to be careful as their bodies may not filter excess magnesium properly, leading to dangerous buildup. Those taking medications for blood pressure, heart rhythm, or antibiotics should also check with a healthcare provider since magnesium can interact with some drugs. It's also important to remember that supplements are meant to add to a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Relying on magnesium alone while neglecting diet, exercise, or sleep habits will limit the benefits. Used wisely, magnesium is safe, effective, and life-changing. But as with any health strategy, the best results come from combining supplementation with medical guidance and balanced daily habits. Men over 50 often believe that declining energy, poor sleep, and reduced potency are just part of aging, but the truth is you can take control. By adding one simple vitamin, magnesium, to your nightly routine, you support testosterone-enhanced blood flow and unlock deep, restorative sleep. Combined with smart lifestyle habits like clean nutrition, regular exercise, and stress management, this small step can deliver powerful results. Aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. It can mean living stronger, more vibrant, and more confident than ever. Start tonight and reclaim the vigor you deserve.